Invasystems was started about 3 years back with the focus on creating AI-based industrial analytics solutions using real-time data, and that's where OSI comes in. OSI Pi is industry leader for real-time data treatment, be it collecting data from all types of sensors, assets, plants, enterprises, and that theme I truly believe in. And it's been a great journey with OSI Soft so far.
Invasystems is a partner of OSI Soft. We started in 2017 our partnership, and now we are co-presenting with one of our customers the results that they got here using the Pi system infrastructure, and our solution for advanced analytics allows them to detect failure with 5 days in advance. So our product that is called ProcDNA gives them the opportunity to get more value of their Pi system solution or infrastructure.
I'm working for Orion Engineered Carbons, which is one of the world's leading companies producing carbon black. I'm working as a reliability director for Orion. The partnering with Invasystems regarding predictive maintenance started for us with a reliability initiative Orion started last year, mainly to reduce downtimes on our production units. Mainly focusing on better planning to have more reliability and pre-planning phase to do our maintenance. Implementing this initiative, we started a reliability pilot project in one of our biggest plants, which is located in Germany. The predictive maintenance pilot, together with Invasystems, we started in December last year, and we focused on prediction models for our large-scale heat exchangers, which we have and run in all of our plants globally, as well as with rotary dryers, which are also part of our standard process globally. We implemented the ProcDNA application together with Invasystems. We deployed prediction models for heat exchangers as well as for our rotary dryers. The deviation between the actual and the predicted heat exchanger leakage index, we see that 5 days before we could have noticed that already, because the deviation of between actual and predictive already exceeds 10%. 5 days might sound short, but the problem is also that 5 days before the damage of the heat exchanger would not be that extensive as it had been. For us, the main important part is that we get some more time to be prepared, and that's our main outcome of this project. This is for us a major improvement. And we are continuing working with Invasystems, also with other equipment types.